Hello people, welcome to Freaky Guys. So guys, as you can see, I've got this slime, and slime is basically an intermediate state between glue and liquid. As you can see, it does not stick to your hands. And today we are going to perform some cool experiments. So what we are going to do basically is put this slime inside the vacuum chamber, and let's see what happens. So this time I have mixed all the three slimes together, and let's see what happens. So guys, finally we have these two slimes remaining, and we are going to put them in the vacuum chamber. And even the earlier slime, we are going to keep it inside the vacuum chamber, and let's see what happens. Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any video suggestion, please let me know in the comments down below. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.